Few days ago I stumbled over this video by Karl Kopinski on Instagram. If you don't know already, Karl has been an in-house artist at the Games Workshop design studio from 1998 to 2005, where he had quite the impact during that time frame. He even designed that cover art for Warhammer 6th edition, as I only just now realized, and he would distinctively influence the aesthetic of several Warhammer factions with his art. He has created some of the most iconic Warhammer artwork, and there isn't a single codex or army book during the first decade of this century that doesn't have his art in it. Note how this was back when Games Workshop still credited their artists. His artistic prowess makes him excel in both character studies and huge battle scenes, which made him a valuable asset for Games Workshop, since both skills find ample application in their printed gaming accessories and lore. Karl had this message to share in his video.
Unfortunately, 3 weeks ago I suffered quite a severe stroke, which has affected my left side, leaving me unable to work and draw for the time being.
Which I imagine is a hard thing trying to cope with for someone who could famously draw with two hands at the same time. And unfortunately, though, it seems like the stroke has affected him to a point where right now he cannot work at all. Apparently the strokes and heart attacks are side effects of his cancer treatment that the world also was unaware of.
Over the past 6 years, I've been fighting something called multiple myeloma, which was actually in a state of remission for over 6 months now. So treatment was going really well. But in those 6 years, the treatment has caused various complications, including 2 other more minor strokes and a heart attack a couple of years ago.
So besides all of these hardships, Karl is trying hard to get back to work, and on his Instagram he's sharing a couple of sketches and exercises he has been doing to regain his legendary skills.
I've got some movement back, which is a good sign, and I'm working really hard at physio to recover my sort of abilities, and I'm pretty hopeful about all of that.
But he also shared that he needs some help to cover the cost of his recovery.
I've kept this to myself. I'm a very sort of private person and didn't really want to put it out there publicly. But unfortunately at the moment I'm not in a position to be able to work at the quality that I would like to be able to. So I'm toying with the idea of possibly a GoFundMe page to help me with the physiotherapy and cover the costs of my rehabilitation and help me and my family through this difficult time.
Being a freelance artist obviously leaves you down on your luck when you're unable to work and have a family to feed. Karl has set up a GoFundMe page to cover his physiotherapy costs and to help cover his bills. He was visibly uncomfortable sharing this message.
Sorry to pass this message on to everybody who's followed my artwork, but really your support has been really important to me. So, and I'm sure that your support will help me get through this difficult time.
I'll put a link to his GoFundMe page in the description in case you want to and can support his recovery and help him cover some bills in this unfortunate time for him and his family. And he did already get a lot of help by his fans, which just shows how loved his art is and how much he's appreciated for the worlds he helped to shape. Besides Adrian Smith, Karl Kopinski undoubtedly is one of the most influential artists, certainly in my miniature career, and probably thousands of impressionable teens and young adults as well over the years, as he has shaped the world of Warhammer and Warhammer 40k beyond his time at the company, and definitely during my formative years as a creative person. And I would like to see him create characters and art for many years to come. I hope this video helps spreading the message, and I wish Karl a speedy and full recovery, and I hope the money the GoFundMe campaign raises will help with that. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.